I'm gonna be sharing with you in this video how to heal from all emotional trauma, because the truth is that emotional trauma is something that I believe people unnecessarily step into in their lives. They create an experience of trauma when they don't need to be creating that experience anymore. See, you are the creator of your reality, and I believe that people unnecessarily create and grow and expand the energy of trauma when they just don't need to be doing it. So we're going to talk about in this video how to truly heal from all emotional trauma, how to become the best version of who you are, how to let go of that trauma so you can move on to be the best version of who you actually are, mentally, physically, spiritually, emotionally, and in every single way that you want to be, so that you can be who you actually want to be. So if you're new to this channel, what I want you to do is I want you to hit that subscribe button. I want you to hit that notification bell, because I do post a new video every single day. Also, if you want to work with me one-on-one personally, hit the link that's in the description box of this video to apply for a free consultation. So let's talk about this. Number one, the first point in this video is all healing happens in ease, not dis-ease. See, ease is where healing happens. Emotional healing, in my opinion, cannot happen in a state of dis-ease. Because when you're healed, once you get to that point of healing, you feel that sense of like you've let go. You've already let go of the trauma. Now, maybe on the way there, you experience some ups and downs. So don't twist what I'm saying and think like, oh, negative emotions are bad. Some people may misinterpret what the message is that I'm trying to spread sometimes and think like, oh, so we should never be experiencing negative emotions. No, every single emotion should never be resisted. If you resist something, you're only going to persist it in your life. Energy flows where attention goes, and what you're resisting unconsciously will only be amplified in your life. But that doesn't contradict what I'm communicating when I say that all healing happens in ease, not dis-ease. So some people may misinterpret the message of living into a more easeful life and think, oh, so I should never face my emotional traumas. I should never be facing negative emotions. No, that's not what I mean. That's not what I mean at all. What I'm saying is that ease, once you're in that state of ease, whatever you had to go through or experience to get to that state of ease should be honored, should be experienced, should be fully integrated, you should welcome it into your experience, because if you resist it, that's how the trauma stays alive. But if you finally allow it to be there on the way to that state of ease that you're looking for, however you get to that state of ease, whether through meditation, whether through yoga, whether through riding a bike outside, whether through going on the beach and surfing, whatever works for you, okay? There's no rules in this game other than the rules that you create for yourself that work personally for your soul. But understand that all healing, all emotional trauma happens when you're in ease. So I welcome and encourage you to invite more ease into your life. Where in your life are you creating unnecessary dis-ease? Where in your life are you creating unnecessary trauma that you're willingly stepping into that you may not need to be creating in your life anymore? Now, the second sign, the second way to heal from emotional trauma is stop trying to bring up the trauma. Stop trying to bring up the trauma in your life, because when you try to bring up trauma in your life, that's just my opinion. Some people may disagree with this. Some people might think that this is not a way to heal trauma. Some people believe that they have to step into the trauma. I don't necessarily believe in that. I believe in going where you want to go. Now, when I say go where you want to go, I don't mean necessarily a physical manifestation. It could be an emotional manifestation. See, a state of being is a manifested reality that you manifested and at one point had a desire for. So when you desire to feel emotionally clear, on the way there to that manifestation, again, everything is a manifestation. You might experience already whatever needs to come up to the surface in order for you to create that reality. So in my opinion, you don't need to try to bring up the trauma. If your goal is to bring up trauma, well then there you go. That's what you're gonna manifest. If your goal is to bring up trauma, then by all means, honor that desire. But just be conscious that that's what you're manifesting and that's what you're actually creating. The third point that I want to share with you is focus on your resonance. Focus on your resonance. See, most people aren't focused on their resonance. They're focused on the opposite of their resonance. See, most people believe that they have to create a reality of unnecessary conflict. Now, I'm not saying that conflict is something that we shouldn't sometimes step into. I'm not saying that negative situations aren't something that we should step into. I'm not saying that trauma, negative experiences, and problems aren't something to be honored in life. But what I am saying is, are you honoring your resonance, what you truly want in your life? Now, what is resonance? Resonance is an interesting term because some people think, oh, resonance is just following what feels good. Not necessarily. Resonance is something much higher than just a human bodily feeling. It's part of it. See, the body is sort of like the gateway to your resonance, to your true resonance, to your true alignment. But following your resonance, the body might be uncomfortable. But the difference is that when you're following your resonance and the body becomes uncomfortable, it's something that you truly still want in your heart. You truly feel connected. You still truly, quote unquote, feel good. When you follow your resonance, nothing feels better than your resonance, even if the body gets into a state of discomfort. Now, it's like, Francis, you're contradicting yourself. Ease can happen in a state of discomfort in the body. Have you ever considered that? See, when an athlete is performing at the athlete's highest level, the body might be in a little bit of tension, but there can be an inner state of ease and alignment and effortlessness while that sort of tension is happening. So alignment and resonance does not contradict working out, doing the things that might be hard, doing the things that you don't want to necessarily be doing in that moment, but you know that it's going to be good for you. You're shifting your vibration when you do something that you don't necessarily want to be doing. But it's not what you're doing, it's the place that you're coming from while you're doing what you're doing. So you might be in a state of quote unquote discomfort. You can be in a state of ease while you do that. Now, if it sounds like I'm contradicting myself, it's because the limits of language are coming through in this video. See, when you're truly healing from trauma, you're basically transcending comfort and discomfort. This isn't about comfort or comfort. This is about stepping into your true alignment, what your heart actually wants, which can happen in infinite ways. And you want to honor, in my opinion, all the ways that the universe will challenge you or bring up certain things on the way to your true resonance. And so healing from trauma is about doing whatever you can to stay connected to that goal of getting into a state of ease. Letting go and ignoring all the things that don't align with that state of ease, but don't ignore it from a state of resistance. From that space of non-resistance, you allow whatever trauma that comes up, and then you stay on path with your goal of feeling easeful. So my invitation to you is set a goal for yourself to be in more ease, to be in more connectedness, to be in more alignment, to be your true self. And on the way there, all the trauma that needs to come up will come up. You don't have to bring it up to the surface. In my opinion, you do what feels in resonance to you. Again, if you feel in resonance to go into trauma, specifically for the goal of going into trauma, because that's what your soul wants to experience, I don't know why anybody would want that, but please honor that. I'm not even saying it from a place of, oh, if you want that, then go ahead anyways. It's not like that. It's like, if you want that for whatever reason, then please go for it. But that's just not my thing. And you can do your thing, but that's not my thing. My thing is to go where I want to go and then let go of what doesn't resonate with where I want to go and then honor that. And then I finally get to the manifestation that I truly wanted, which is to feel good. Or if it's a physical manifestation, everything here applies. So in this video, what you learned is not only how to heal trauma, but also how to manifest anything that you want, including a state of emotional ease. And I believe that if you apply these 3 things in this video, you will get one step closer and pretty much for sure manifest that state of ease that you're looking for. No promises, but I believe that if you do apply these things, it will incredibly increase your chances times a million to get to where it is that you want to go, okay? And so that's all I have for this video. Once again, if you want to work with me one-on-one personally, hit the link that's in the description box of this video to apply for a free consultation. If you want to try my free guided meditation to align with the heart and to be a catalyst for your manifestations and to expand the heart. The link will be in the description box of this video and in the comments on this video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment down below sharing which part you enjoyed, and leave a like so that algorithm can expand and so more people can heal from their emotional traumas and manifest what they truly want. That's all I have for this video. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.